This section is used to set up all of your SMS marketing and SMS OTP verifications for your platform. The system that we're using is called Twilio, and you can just go to twilio.com and just create an account for yourself. Go through the entire process, and once everything's set up, all you have to do is add in your account SID, your authentication token, and your phone number, and then just save it from this button here. What that'll do is all of the promotional and marketing that you do via SMS or any sort of verification that needs to be done whenever your customer logs in would be done through Twilio. And if you want to disable it, you can just click on this toggle switch here, and this should disable the entire functionality.